Behind every sold sign, there lies a hardworking realtor. Hi, it's Diana with Keller Williams Real Estate. Let's spill some industry tea. While real estate agents are often seen as property tour guides, there's so much more simmering beneath the professional veneer. Here's a quick dive into 5 pivotal tasks that we excel at. Number 1, agents are ever vigilant guardians of the local market dynamics. We dissect market trends, pricing hops, and the ebb and flow of inventories. Our aim? Equipping you with razor-sharp intel so your property decisions are always a step ahead. Number 2, our contact list is the golden key. From fellow agents to lenders and home inspectors, we have a team of industry rock stars. Number 3, before your home graces the market, we're already in action mode, collecting property specifics, coordinating those magazine-worthy photos, crafting compelling property descriptions, and diving into the digital world with virtual tours. We're on a mission to make your property the talk of the town. Number 4, trust us, we're not just dabbling online. Our marketing mojo stretches across online platforms, social media, and email campaigns. Each property gets A-list treatment, ensuring it shines bright for prospective buyers. Number 5, negotiations. This is where our expertise truly shines. Representing you will parlay, persuade, and persist to ensure that the dotted line you sign is synonymous with stellar deal. So the next time you're sipping coffee with a real estate agent, give a nod to the myriad of tasks they juggle to turn your property ambitions into headline news. By the way, if you or anyone you know is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, give us a call. We're happy to help.